Hello, everybody. This is Dave Wallace coming to you from Waihoa, Hawaii, and it's feedback time for the Powerball. 2nd of January 2021. Not so good. Okay. In fact, there were only two hits, and the two hits came on here. Okay. And the two numbers that hit were 4 and 67. On the positive side is the numbers are repeating, and the numbers are actually part of the number set that I created up here. And the numbers that were hit were 3, 4, 11, 41, 67, and the Powerball is 5. As you can see, 3 was part of the A group. In fact, 3 was part of the last set of numbers that were drawn. Then you have 3 from B, and 1 from C, and 1 from D. And here's how the numbers were spread out. As you can see, 3 was the only A group, but it was a quick turnaround. This was part of the numbers that were drawn the last time. Okay. And so this area represents the numbers that appeared in the last 4 draws. Then the 3 other numbers, 4, 11, and 67, which are circled there, appeared in Group B, which are numbers that appeared in games number 5 through 8 ago. So 5 to 8 games ago, these numbers appeared. Then 41 is part of Group C. These numbers were drawn about 9 to 12 games in the past. And the final number on the bonus ball, or the Powerball, number 5, is part of the numbers that appeared about 13 to 16 games. So none of the numbers showed up beyond that point. Okay, so they're repeating and repeating quickly, and that's how the numbers are showing up. Now, I didn't do too well on the pictures, but here are the feedback. Here's the feedback, and I'm reworking my feedback, not only focusing in on the space here, but also the space here where I make my initial sketches. So hopefully the energy from both of these areas will come through for me. Tonight I'll be working the California Fantasy 5, and I'll continue that feedback process and see if it improves. Anyway, 3 is a tricycle, and that's a tricycle. 4 is a car, and 11 is UH logo. Interesting, you can see part of the logo here. Okay, something upright than the crossbars. And then 41 is airplane. Actually, this is a 0, Japanese 0. That bombed Pearl Harbor in 1941. Then 67 was my lone hit with my pictures, and it's a secondary read for the microphone. 67 is Angel. Okay, and then Powerball is number 5, which is a glove. Okay, and as you can see, the only number to hit was 67 here. Okay, and so back to the drawing board. Okay, so we're taking a break from the major lotteries, and I'll be working the California Fantasy 5, which is also numbers that actually carry over 9 different states, and I'll be posting that later. Okay, and see you folks later when I'm finished with that. Aloha.